10 seconds.
Oh, he's gonna dunk blindfolded.
But he is about to run out of time. He's got to hurry.
4, 3, 2,
Si Jodeban sa may kasalanan, ang bagal niya magtali. Keep it going. The sentiment of the rest of the competition, okay lang daw yan. Dapat bigyan ng mic si Jodeban.
It's gonna be interesting. Sukat pa ni Justin Melton. That was an ambitious attempt.
Yes,
no
that was a
finish.
perfect score.
Ooh! One more time. Through the rim.
Ito na yung lundag niya, yung first attempt, which was
Dunk that one with Slasso. Level of difficulty.
stepping back overtime. Here Foods goes to Melton and giving chase. Melton!
Far. You watch that block. Unbelievable leaping ability. Pass it over to Melton. Nice spin move. Gets to the hoop. It's been working, 4th straight championships here. Really put a lot of pressure. Hindi naman yan. Oh. Mensa, pumuputok din for tonight. So good. Boyet Fernandez, you can't let Pure Food star behind the back. Kick to Melton. Nakaisa na yan. Oy! Carter, when the small guy gets a block like this. Brought to you by Prefton Break.
Caruela to dish off a strong drive and the finish inside.
Melton with a pull-up.
And he tied. Here's that swipe. That's a clean swipe by Quick Melt. And then he goes all the way to tie the game at 7. Fires over Tapiwa.
Here Foods in trouble. Melton looking to...
Here we go. One more time. Oh! Time!
We practiced.
Oh, parang ang layo ng bola.
Tsaka,
This is a giggle dunk. Dunk contest dunk.
Yes. Obviously looking at my highlight reels.
Hold down. And Justin Melton